Hello my friends, welcome to Training with KS. Today is 29th of May 2025. So today BURSA still weak lah, not much momentum, but these technology suddenly we got some momentum lah. Okay, because of this news lah. I want to take a look at this news. Okay, this news lah.
Trump's Liberation Day. Tariffs blocked by U.S. Trade Court.
Okay, so now temporarily lah. Okay, so this is the news lah. Take a look.
President Donald Trump's proposed reciprocal trade tariffs on major U.S. trading partners were blocked by a federal court on Wednesday, on the grounds that the president overstepped his authority. The Court of International Trade ruled on Wednesday that Congress held exclusive authority to regulate commerce with other countries, and that Trump's emergency powers did not supersede this authority. Wednesday's ruling was on a lawsuit filed by the Liberty Justice Center on the behalf of 5 small U.S. businesses that import goods from the countries targeted by Trump's tariffs. The trade court ruled that the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEEPA, which was invoked by Trump to carry out his tariff agenda, did not grant the president sufficient authority to impose unlimited tariffs on goods from nearly every country in the world.
Okay, but they will appeal lah. So this is not a sure thing yet lah, but they will appeal. It look like it will take some time lah. Okay, so we want to see how the progress lah. Okay, because now you know lah, Trump is the government now lah. Trump is a government now, so they will have all the cut to probably to retain all these tariff lah. We want to see lah. We want to see. So they don't think that this trade court straight away can this will be immediately effective lah. So don't be too eager first lah. We want to continue and see because they still can go for appeal all these things lah. And also they are the government so they will have an advantage lah, okay, on all these issues lah. Okay, so we want to continue and monitor lah. Okay, so let's check out quick disclaimer before we continue.
Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs.
Okay, look at BURSA now it's 1520 drop 2.7 points, 0.182%. Now it's only 3 o'clock 3:17 okay, so it's not the closing, but today a lot of data need to go through a lot of report okay, a lot of quarter report, so that's why we are doing it early. Singapore dropped 0.284%, Hong Kong up 1.026%, South Korea up 1.891%, Japan up 1.884%. Probably all this due to the tariff the news of this the judge this one okay, trade court this trade court block temporarily now I think block the tariff We want to see how it goes. Continue. Thailand up 1.469%. China FTSE up 0.175%. China SSE up 0.704%. China SXSE up 1.239%. Australia up 0.154%. Taiwan dropped 0.049%. And this India dropped 0.180%. Europe, this yesterday dropped 0.0 FTSE up 0.455% and Germany dropped 0.77%. US yesterday night dropped 0.574%. Dow Jones NYSE dropped 0.761%. S&P dropped 0.557%. Nasdaq dropped 0.512%. Okay, so look at crude palm oil 3,841, Brent oil 65, crude oil 62, gold 3,272 drop. Okay, silver 33.29 still high. Ringgit, dollar against ringgit 4.2340. Bitcoin 107,000 and Ethereum getting stronger 2,727. Look at BURSA. Now it's 1521, drop 2.31 points, 2.60 billion. 2.604 billion volume, still okay lah. Today slightly better. Sentiment 47, gainers 423, losers 469, unchanged 429, and untrade 1065. Foreign fund yesterday net sell 97 million, local institution net buy 77 million, and local retail net buy 20 million. It's like momentum lah. ATA, MS, remember lah, this is jackpot lah. You keep this one, it goes up. Take money lah. PESTEC quite strong, 9.5%. Let's see PESTEC. Still not yet broken up. Not yet broken above first. Still not very good. Okay. Look at the sector all in percentage. Construction dropped 0.55, consumer dropped 0.17, energy up 0.17, finance dropped 0.19, healthcare up 0.56, industry up 0.39, plantation up 0.23, property dropped 0.39, REIT dropped up 0.27, technology up 2.05, telco dropped 0.6, transportation dropped 0.88, utilities dropped 0.21. Okay, let's look at Facebook. Look at the chart first, sorry. KLCI. This is not closing, not yet closed. Okay. So KLCI all continue sliding down, so it's not holding the mother and son. Looks like the momentum is downwards. Ace market slowly sliding down, slowly up 0.35. Mid cap up 0.2, still in this. Slightly sideways. Small cap drop up 0.37. Also slightly up. Okay. Slightly up. Okay. Other than that, technology. Okay, technology. Okay, so technology, we got, as I said, if we come back to 48, rebound here or rebound 46, still okay. Still okay for me now. It's rebounding at 48, so okay lah. Consider still okay for now. Okay. RSI is rebounding at 50, so still okay for this technology. Okay, not that bad lah. After we saw the Monday big, yesterday week, big turnaround. Last week, Saturday, Sunday, right? We saw the big turnaround. Okay, so this week we expected it to drop lah. Okay, last week. Last week. Okay, we expected it to drop, but it dropped faster than expectation. But luckily this week got some support some rebound. Okay, still okay a bit. Okay, look at Facebook. PESTEC, Bailey. PESTEC need to break out first PESTEC. Got divergence it got chance we got some divergence PESTEC, but it's not breaking up it's not making higher high, it's still making lower high, so you need to break out so actually you got something like another channel here you need to at least break here first at least break here, make at least break out here 27 cents, then only you got chance okay. UUE 0.8 okay UUE UUE still making higher high. We got a little bit of this we got this okay, looks like a head and shoulder Okay, so as long as stay above this one, it's fine lah. As long as stay above this. Okay, right. As long as stay above this right, this neckline, okay, neckline, and as long as stay above here, 62 cents, got chance lah. It's slowly going back up lah. So the target should be around here lah, 84 cents or 80 over cents lah. So now it's just slight retracement lah. K group still can rebound. K group. Key alliance K group I'm not familiar lah. I very rarely see. Okay, I very rarely see this key alliance. This one okay. Very difficult lah. This one, though the chart is this one very difficult. This one a lot of trouble lah. You see here hanging around here. Anything want to go through 35 cents. Any rebound, I think they need to have volume break through this 31 cents first lah. Looks like this one very difficult to see because it is not. It just started to drop lah. So difficult lah. This one better. This one for us for chart analysis we cannot apply this one. The chart is too messy. Okay. Eugene Heddick. Some comment. Great tech. Notion I talked many times, right? Notion didn't break. Notion need to break out. No breakout 0.77. I talked many times lah. Nothing much to talk about lah. Okay. What's that? Get the big mermaid lah. K group. Trade court strike down Trump tariff threatening his economic agenda and tax cut. We're going to continue and see this one. Okay. Because they are government and they are as a sitting government, so you got not a lot of tools in your hand We're going to continue and see Okay. Louis, what? 八番来财 see the oncoming Louis say. LH 过了就是 LL LH then after that LL what the meaning 师傅 what I'm not very I don't really understand. John Sniper sleep. LV say this technology big rebound Andy all looking at technology boring day technology I mean technology as I said right, technology is rebounding we don't know how far it goes but there are some, as I said, technology is not very bad yet. It's not like big drop very scary okay, but you have to be careful already okay. But when to continue this one, even though this one they want to appeal, they want to go for court for appeal, all these things, right? So you take time all these things go to court it's not like immediately everything settle. So they will go for appeal, so you got time so if you take too much risk what if they appeal and the Trump win, right? So you might get you might get stuck so you have to be, as long as we look at the chart, as long as the chart is doing well, okay we continue we continue to hold. If the chart cannot, then maybe we have to be careful so this one we have to see this one how it goes but this is not final this is not final because they are still can go for appeal and they are the government so they got a lot of tools in their hand to do some, I mean to appeal or find some other way to implement the tariff, all these things lah. So it's not like totally one shot. Is this one is done deal. Okay. Oh, then they are going to appeal lah. So we have to continue wait and see lah. Okay, this is not like a done deal. We're going to see the appeal, what happened, and whether whether they can find other way. You see they say this the Trump alone, the president does not have so much power. So they might get some other way to implement. So we have to still because the intention is there. Intention of the current sitting government is there. So they hold all the cards. So it's not easy. It's not easy to straight away you say, wow, everything will change. So it's not. That's why you still have to be careful. Unless they are not the government, then different. They are the government. So, and they control the House. Okay, they control the Senate. Okay, so they still got a lot of power to do to implement this kind of thing. So you still have to be careful. The intention is there, unless you say, Trump say, okay, I give up. I don't want to implement all this anymore. Then it's safer Okay. So they might find other ways and right, the court, right? The court. But this is trade court, I'm not sure but the court in the top of the court is still their people you do but trade court maybe it's different I'm not really sure Okay.
TM posts lower 1Q net profit of RM401mil, but revenue edges up.
Okay, revenue up 2.8 to 2.9 million, but profit 424 to 401 million so drop a little bit. These 2 days a lot of this data Okay, so TM's drop big drop today after the profit. The report not so good the profit report. Okay, so you see okay, it made it got this flat pattern, it broke out, so it's going higher Okay, it's going higher, but remember our target is here, right? So it's just around here, and the bank target is around here. Maybe still can go higher, but after this report is coming down. I think if you want to play with, for it to come lower first for TM. If you want to buy now, I think it's a little too high to buy now. Okay. I don't buy high. You have to understand. I don't buy high. I don't buy things at an expensive price and expect can sell it more expensive This is not the way I do business and also it's not the way I do. I mean, you can do it but in a bull market, yes, right? In Malaysia economy, Malaysia, KLCI very strong. Wow, bull market, US bull market, China bull market, whole world bull market. Yes, okay, we go for it. Buy high, expect sell higher. But you see now, trade war, everything happening. How do you want to buy high and expect sell higher, right? So I'm not keen on that now And yes, in a bull market, global bull market, yes, we can do it. But not current situation, right?
万能第一季度利润应
Magnum 1Q profit doubles on higher gaming sales, lower prize payouts, declares 2.5 sen dividend.
Okay, profit 584 to 648 million, 26 to 49 million. Hey, did very good. Did well, Magnum. Finally, okay. Very encouraging report. So remember, Magnum, we buy here at the low here. So it's still going. For now, I think now it's reaching, I think it's reaching how do you call that? A peak. I think after this report come out, I think it really going already. After you drop first, probably go back up. Because you see the target, the bank target also here. So nothing much to chase. Not that it didn't do well, but already JTGROUP already hit target already. Okay. It really goes quite far already. Okay.
AirAsia X1Q net profit drops 37% on higher operating expenses.
Okay, revenue 908 to 940 million, up profit 80 to 50 million lah, so more expensive lah, so 37% drop. Okay. It's still okay lah. I think it will retrace a bit. It already start to slow down. It will retrace a bit. But long term, probably still got chance. We continue wait and see lah. Hopefully, can continue break up lah. This one have to wait lah. Okay. But the report didn't do it any favor to continue break lah. So you have to wait lah. Okay. Didn't do this AX any favor lah.
PPB posts higher net profit of RM375.83 mil in 1Q25.
1.3 billion revenue, now 1.4 up, 337 to 375 up 11% profit. Okay lah, PPB not bad. PPB already hit near this target area, at least slow down already, but we still got this double bottom. Maybe still can go PPB after retracement. Maybe still can go lah. Now we got this support is here lah. Okay, so 11.38 lah. So should not drop much below 11.38 lah. Okay, got PPB.
Kellington's 1Q profit up 7% despite lower revenue, raises dividend.
Okay, 339 million revenue to 270, profit 24 million to 26, slightly only, but revenue drop. Okay, revenue drop. Okay, KGB. So KGB should be stuck here lah. It's stuck around 364 lah. I'm not keen to chase this top here lah. Last time we chased really down here lah. So all these we chased already. So I'm not chasing at here. Maybe you can go, maybe you can go higher, but you see all the bank target are here lah, so not much room for it to move, right?
Malaysia's 1Q profit down 17% on expansion costs.
Nothing much, still flat, 7-Eleven.
BJLAND swings to loss in 3Q on absence of one-off gain.
Okay. BJLAND. Okay, BJLAND only drop below this support line, so BJLAND is have to be careful lah. Okay. You see, it really drop below this support. Okay, this whole line really drop below, so it's not doing so well lah.
SD Property clocks RM118.41 mil net profit on RM978.69 mil revenue in Q1.
Q1 978 to 871 drop, okay, 123 to 118 million still okay lah, but drop 4.2%. Okay. Some property, you see, hit the resistance. Okay, now coming, I said all these property, you rebound chance to run I said okay. So you see, this flat pattern came back. Now it's come back to retest. Now slowly coming back down. I'm not saying it no chance it can go higher, but I doubt it can go higher. Watching from it, and the property really profit. All this going up really profit. I'm not chasing all this. I'm chasing this one. Remember, I'm chasing, as I said I told you right last time we chase. We are chasing. Right? We are chasing this, right? Okay? We are not chasing this. Okay? We are not chasing this. From us, for me, I'm not chasing this. I'm chasing this. Okay? We really more profit on this. I'm not going to chase this one. Okay? I'm not going to chasing it. I'm not saying it's not going up. Okay? It still go up, go down, go up, go down. It still does that. But I'm not chasing, especially when you see the pattern broken. Okay? This looks like lower low. Lower high, lower low, so this looks like a downtrend. So any rebound, for me, chance to run. This is how I see lah. Okay, I'm not saying I must be right lah, but this is how I see it. Okay.
HAPSENG Consolidated reports 26% decline in 1Q net profit, maintains 10 cent per share dividend.
Okay, 1.3 billion revenue to 1.2137 million to 101 million lah. So also another one drop lah. Okay. But not too bad lah. Oh, not too bad. Okay. So it's starting to rebound. Oh, hit the resistance here. You see this resistance exactly now got rejected lah. Hopefully it still can slowly goes up. I'm not saying this one bottom rebound will take time. It's not 1 week, 2 week. This one might take half a year, few months, half a year, even 1 year to get the. You see, when we pick this bottom for all these property stock, right? It took 1 year, right, to hit the 100, 200%, right? So it will take time lah. Okay.
JTGROUP wins RM161mil data center contract.
Okay, JTGROUP is still going down. Look like slanting head and shoulder here. Nothing much. Despite the news. Nothing much. At least you need to break 36 cents first. Okay. Even though we get the project also. Oh, look at the news. So many. SCIB profit turn to profit 22.97 million. Okay, got small rebound but no got smoke but no cigar You need to stay above 20 cents first. Okay. Orient net profit 472%. Okay. Orient need to break 717 Okay. This one we did this check out last week. PESTEC turn to 32 million profit. Take a look at the revenue first. Or the whole year already come out. Let's check out the whole year one. Last year 222 million, now 238 million, profit 20 million to 25 So did quite well. PESTEC. Okay, PESTEC and up now. Now it's stuck 44 cents. I need to break to 44 cents for it to go up So now it's stuck here, not doing much. MPI profit up.
MPI posts 22% rise in 3Q net profit, keeps up dividend of 25 cents per share.
Okay, revenue 526 million to 519 drop. Profit 32 to 40 million Okay, up, but revenue drop. MPI up 7%. I think probably it's due to the news, the tariff news Okay, so okay MPI still okay Make look like a little bit of head and shoulder, still holding fine still holding fine for MPI. Too many news, very difficult to monitor. Young Thai to challenge this prospect okay, on this one.
Yong Tai to challenge adjudication decision to pay RM161mil to Kerjaya Prospect.
To challenge this case okay.
IOI Properties 3Q profit more than halves on higher interest expense.
Okay, revenue 902 to 755 drop, 220 million to 76 million so drop quite a lot, 65% okay. IOI property. Okay. Also at double top so it's just hanging around here so it's not very good if it drop below here, then danger again This you have to be careful
Heng Yuan posts 1Q loss on softer product prices, higher operating costs.
Okay, Heng Yuan last year first quarter 5 million revenue, 5 billion now 2.4 billion, drop quite a lot. Profit 1.2 million to 170 million, drop what 14,000%. Wow. That's why some more so not easy to see the business, right? Of 2 billion revenue still cannot hit profit, right? So very difficult to do this business, right? Very difficult to do. The margin very small so Heng Yuan coming back down so this one I said it cannot stay above 20 cents, 2 ringgit you better be careful okay. I'm not keen on this one
PESTEC secures RM270mil railway job.
Okay, railway electric double track in Klang Valley, sorry. Okay. PESTEC. Okay, PESTEC still nothing much it's low Okay, so hopefully in the future it can rebound So you have to watch this level If you got momentum break to 20 cent or 21 cent, then maybe you want to watch For now, no momentum Okay, despite the news. GCB weaker than expected 1Q let's see GCB. Last year first quarter 1.9 billion revenue, now 4.3 billion, profit 92 million to 99 million. Right? Why it's drop I don't know why it put drop. Actually it's up. It's up Okay, let me see the whole thing. First quarter revenue up a lot but profit only up slightly but he put here it's a drop. I'm not sure, maybe this one something wrong but look at the chart we're coming back down coming back down. I said I already profit from here I'm not chasing this one okay, so I'm not chasing this one this one I think we make 100% also but I'm not chasing this one okay. This is just how I do it I'm not saying I must be right or anything okay, this is how I do this. 1Q higher 1Q profit getting presentation. Let's take a look. First quarter last year 605 million, now 719, so up revenue profit 42 to 61.8, quite good okay, for this Genting plantation. Okay, let's see it's still flat nothing much happening also, nothing much happening and it's not doesn't look so good also it's dropping here also, not so good despite the report.
Pertama Digital secures October deadline extension for regularization plan.
Okay, E&O 25 revenue profit up so last year 422 million, now 741, did quite good. Profit 133 million to 168 million so up okay. So E&O is still on this downtrending it's still downtrending okay, still on this downtrend okay.
Axiata's 1Q25 net profit leaps to RM160mil.
Okay, last year 5.7 billion revenue, now 5.1 drop a little. 60 million revenue up to 159, so up 160%, but the revenue dropped a little. Axiata. Okay, still okay lah. Axiata still okay. Retrace a bit. Now still slowly, still hanging there. Still okay lah. Okay.
RHB. MISC poised for FPSO growth. Buy at RM9.70.
Target here lah. So we have to continue wait and see lah. So it slowly is creeping up again. Let me see. Let me redraw the whole thing. MISC move very slow lah. If you got play MISC, you know lah. It's very heavy. This stock is heavy lah. Okay, I think got chance lah. Got chance come back here, the channel top. Okay, I think got chance to come back to channel top lah. So you need to hold here lah. It cannot drop below here lah. Okay, it cannot drop below 695. Okay. Well, this one you have to know lah. This one very slow lah. It move very slow at MISC. Okay.
Wellcall hits 1 month low after 2Q miss, with weak exports and high costs expected to hurt earnings.
Revenue 49 million now, 44 million drop. Profit 11 million to 8.2 lah. So both drop lah, but not too bad lah. Not too bad. There will be too many. Well call, but it's still dropping lah. It's still dropping. Okay.
PLABS shares jump 43 PCT to fresh high amid director misconduct probe.
Okay. This one. Goring lah, came back absolutely drop already lah. Better not chase. So big rejection, so big pin buy here lah. Better not chase. This is just Goring news only lah. Normally we don't chase.
FGV's Q1 profit misses expectations despite higher FFB output, says HLID.
Might be taken private lah. So to take note, 4.5 to 5 million revenue, profit 13.5 billion loss now to 36 million. 13.5 million loss now to 36 million profit lah. So okay lah. Miss expectation lah, but still okay lah. But FGV already Goring already due to the news the privatization news Okay.
Life Water buys Cyber's Twinine for RM10.5mil in FMCG expansion.
Okay, expansion lah. So this one also not much lah, not moving much also. Not moving much lah, just chopping around only. Okay, not moving much. OPTIMAX profit up. Let's see OPTIMAX. OPTIMAX first quarter 28 million revenue, now 30 million. Last year up a little bit compared to last year, 3 million to 3.4 million, slightly better lah. So not much lah, so not moving much.
EDARAN Inc. posts higher earnings in 3Q on improved margins.
Okay, last year 47 million, now revenue 34 million drop, 1.6 million profit to 2.5 lah, but the revenue drop Okay, so EDARAN still still flat here lah. It's not too bad lah. Drop below 13 cents, then maybe on the drop some more, but now still holding okay lah. But now it's not going much also.
BNM kenakan penalti terhadap 4 institusi kewangan.
So they are finding this bank
Bank Pusat itu turut mengenakan penalti monetari pentadbiran sebanyak 3.26 juta ringgit kepada HSBC Bank Malaysia Berhad kerana ketidakpatuhan terhadap keperluan berkaitan dengan usaha wajar pelanggan dan keperluan saringan sekatan, serta ke atas HSBC Amanah Malaysia Berhad HBMS kerana ketidakpatuhan.
Not only HSBC lah, there's a few more bank Okay. What's it? Bank Pembangunan Malaysia, SSBC, Maybank Islamic. Due to this
Penalti tersebut dikenakan kerana ketidakpatuhan terhadap Akta Perkhidmatan Kewangan 2013, Akta Perkhidmatan Kewangan Islam 2013 serta keperluan berkaitan pencegahan pengubahan wang haram, pencegahan pembiayaan keganasan, pencegahan pembiayaan percambahan senjata pemusnah besar-besaran dan sekatan kewangan bersasar untuk institusi kewangan.
Okay.
ACE market-bound ASM automation targets RM21.82 mil proceeds from IPO.
Okay, so let's check out message before I jump to the top gainer. A lot of technology top gainers okay, let's take a look. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView and this Luno. Okay, you use my link you can get some reward some discount, all these things so don't you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser very friendly guy okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link okay. Okay, top gainers a lot Look at today. Wow, today, this Saturday, this Sunday video will be very long. Hong Leong Industry, PIE, SAM. Okay, not a bit too high to chase okay, SAM. Okay, retrace a bit, still okay, still hanging around 3.85, still okay it's not, I mean one wave already made now still okay we are holding still okay, unless it drop below 3.85, continue to drop then danger for now it's trying to rebound okay, trying to rebound it's not too bad, it's not bad, okay, you have to wait a bit now BURSA got no momentum you don't expect it to fly PEI also see came back to support this support line, starting to rebound okay, okay, still holding. I said you give it some room to Greatech with drops to breathe Greatech starting to rebound, but still okay, look like still okay with drops. Greatech up 4% today, with drops up 2.7%. Also okay if it slowly it can break up. We have to give it some room because now it's rebound from the low it's not bull market. Okay, PCHEM after all these news come out, slaughter PCHEM very difficult to go up now stuck here at 3.3. It's not too bad. Long term it might be just hanging around here. I don't think it will have a big drop, but I don't think any bullish momentum. I think already koyak already after all so many bad news come out Okay, Penta Penta still okay looks like if we can break up 3 ringgit, we got a head and shoulder, still holding okay. Okay, not that bad yet. EDARAN up 2%, or EDARAN still okay, but in the channel I'm not very keen this one unless it break through the channel Okay, Inari UWC or Nari drop a bit so a bit lower than the neckline, still okay so hopefully it don't continue drop. So hopefully it still can go. I said Nari I'm not keen because of the double top, already told you okay. UWC, Genetech. Okay. UWC after hit target, retrace a bit. Okay, maybe we turn around, maybe still another wave still can go. Continue and wait and see Okay, maybe another round. It make a double top, make a bigger double bottom. Then we can try again. Then break through here. Okay, then we can try again for a long term. Genetech. Okay. Genetech not much breakout, came back down, it's not moving it's not so strong. Genetech failed already, the breakout came back down, not doing much. ATM, as I said, you buy, you keep because it lost a lot of contract. So suddenly got any news, you get big contract, you fly so now starting to fly, hopefully can go higher, looks like a bit of head and shoulder okay, probably still got chance to go this one. 331, 36 cents, probably still got chance So so you have to beware of this low here Okay, this low here 225 cents, drop below, be careful MN holding. MN holding still going slightly going but I'm not this one you have to be careful, really high still going but very high CMSB. Okay, so maybe struggling here maybe still can go, we continue to wait and see. See me today also up a little bit. Me okay looks like still okay, higher high, higher low, still okay for now for long term longer term okay. KOBAY drop a bit, not so strong but not too bad. Also you haven't dropped below 1.99, 1.19. There's no momentum now it's this whole week is a drop. As long as it don't drop too much, it's still considered not okay okay, it's still considered okay. SCGBHD, this one broken through so hopefully it still can go as long as stay above 1.10 okay. Southern Cable, HARBOUR, KJTS. HARBOUR trying to break up. HARBOUR if we stay above this 1.34 now 1.34, if we break to 1.34 with red color, then maybe still can go. You want to watch this one. KJTS. Very long. Okay, KJTS a bit too high to chase a bit too high, you see here now consolidating, unless we break 1.15 then maybe we got another push up so now it's just struggling here okay. So the technology start to rebound, but how far can it go, we have to wait and see what the further news what the Trump side what he say he say I don't want, if you say I don't want, I want to stop doing this tariff and then probably you fly but I think he say he will find other way, if cannot so they will find other way to implement all this because they are the government, right? So we have to continue and see this trade court, I mean this what they call it this judge decision is not final because they still can appeal so we have to continue wait and see okay. Talk to you again tomorrow, bye bye.